Greetings, everyone. Do you know how to find out the resolution size of your monitor? Well, on my screen right now, I'm on the desktop and I'm going to click on the right mouse button. And when I do that, I'm going to choose Display Settings. Now, I have two monitors in my office. So when this opens up, I can choose between two monitors. The monitor I'm looking at right now is monitor number 2. So I clicked on that. I'm going to scroll down and I want to draw your attention down here to 1920 by 1080. That is my monitor resolution size, or the display resolution size. Now, I'm going to make a note of that and I'm going to close that. Now, why am I showing you that? I'm showing you that because when you're working in ACT, you'll observe that over here on the right-hand side, you have a lot of gray space. And sometimes you might want to put fields over there. But when you go in to edit the fields, sometimes you can't scroll over there. You can't get to that area. So let me pull up the layout. So you'll notice that over here on the right-hand side where I might want to put information, I cannot get over there. So let me show you how I'm going to work with that. I'm going to go back down to my layout and I'm going to create a field. I'm going to take any field. In fact, I'm going to click text and I'm going to just draw a field right here. Now, it doesn't matter what this field is, but I'm going to type in AAAs, actually 4A's, just to give it a name. I'm going to click away from it, and now I've set it. I'm going to click on it again. I'm going to go up to View, Properties window. I'm going to come over here to the left, and I'm going to click on Location, the round button, and this is located at the width of 732, and the wire, the height, or the location of 251, 732 by 251. Because I know my monitor is 1900 pixels wide, I'm going to change this to 1900. And because I sort of want it to be up towards the top of the screen, I'm going to change this to 10. And I'm going to click away, and now you'll see that item is gone. But what I want you to observe now is if I scroll way over to the right, now I have the ability to add things in here. So that's why it's important to add something in if you want to put stuff over to the right. The reason I did all A's is because I wanted it to be at the top of the list of all the field names so you could find it moving forward. So by adding something and putting it way over to the furthest right of your monitor resolution, then you can scroll over and it makes it a little bit easier to add things and work with them on this level. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye now.